So welcome to CG for all. So agenda of the today is JavaScripts, and today we are going to cover what is the event in JavaScripts, and basically we will see the two small example of JavaScript. So how to create a chessboard. Chessboard is basically a game. So we are not creating how to play the complete chessboard, but basic UI skeleton, and then we will understand what is the child creation. Means click on one button, how the window opener is working. So these three things today we were going to see. Let us first go one by one. What is the event in JavaScript? So let me open the example, so and then we will discuss from there itself. So what is event? So let me open that. So what is basically event, like based on the click, so function is changing. So generally when the file is loading, so daily we are drinking tea kind of thing, the favorite drink. So when you click on that, it should be binary kind of this coming. So basically change of the button, the event is changing. So that is the basically event based functionality in the JavaScript. So how we are written the code, let me explain you. Yeah. So basically we have a button I have already created, right? So inside the button daily. So document dot get element by ID. So directly already we are provided that button. By default, it should be load this T, right? So image of the T, I'm giving the name milk, that's fine. So how to read the document dot get element by ID of that image dot src. So I am assigning this to daily. So same way when we assign clicking on the favorite, it should be the button here. So button, when click on this button, is load this page. So let's run once again and understand. Clicking on here, default is daily, this page, this image is loading. Okay, default when I am not doing anything. When clicking on this favorite, this image should be assigned to this element. So my image. So my is element. So same thing is happening. Click on this. So same image is happening. So this is the way to represent in the JavaScript. So event based application. So it's not concept wise is not extra, but this is kind of a event we can tell. So hope is clear. So
So what if I wanted wine to be default?
it's not like invented. I have simple giving an example. So default feature of anything is like generic behavior. So generic behavior of any human daily taking tea, right? In somewhere it's a drink only, but in general across the globe I am taking the default behavior. So I am taking drinking like a tea. And if you are considering as a normal, any means by the JavaScript and any software development, we are developing any functionality behavior of anything, right? So that behavior I'm considering a T. So same way, suppose I am creating a cup. So basic functionality by default means what is the basic behavior of a cup. So that's it. So it depends upon the which functionality you are developing. It's not depends upon the technology. Basically it depends upon the what is the requirement.
Okay.
So next example, like chessboard. So basically chess is a one game. So we will play that. So we have to create this. So basically there is a way to create a chase all the application by the programming language itself. So there is a way to create, means basically once you play one move, second move from our computer side. So I am not going to develop such now like that, but this board we will play by the JavaScript. Means the 1 2 3 4, this 4 white, then alternatively black is there. So basically as per the functionality I tell you, there is a 8 and 8 by 8, there is a board alternatively white and black is there. So there is a way to in the chase in general. Okay, that's why I have to means I must kind of that you not understand the chessboard, understand this is the requirement to us. So this board we have to create with the JavaScript. So so now let's see. Basically from the body I am taking one onload function. So basically when the page is load, the function will call. So here I have to create this JavaScript. Basically is a concept of the data structure of any language. For loop is a basic data structure. So I feel if I cover the Java, it's already batches are there for this data structure part. So if you want, you can join also. So there we will understand how the for loop and the syntax will work. So basically we document dot get element by id the for this table. So already we are assigning in taking on a variable. So now we have I have considering from I is equal to 1 to 9. 1 to 9 means till 8 it should be working. I not taken equal to and plus plus plus. So I am considering on tr document dot get into id of tr. So this we are so and then I am assigning to that. So now so is clearly here like I what I have to design basically. So even number in the even number is black, right? So even number I am considering if the divided by 2, then it should be white else black. So say and then we have to append that and append to the child and automatically it should be table. So and then it should be go to there and this part is basically css I am considering. This is css part ignore who have already know this the css part we have to cover and then automatically it should be designed like this. So practice, this is a kind of a practice. You will again practice the same how to how we need to create that and then if we will discuss once again.
So it should be
What you have to do, we need a for loop. Inside the for loop, how many rows is there? 1 2 3 4 5 8, right? So we have to move the any for loop from 1 to 9. So basically 9 is not included. So based on your requirement we have to take then append that because click on that table should be create and append that. So this table we have to coloring we have to get from the css. This is a simple example to practice that. I'm moving to the next section. Next section is basically what is the child creation. Means click on that how to click other button. What is meaning like there is a button here or a tab when click on cg for all it should be open a new pop-up. So how to achieve that? There is a many requirement like this. It's not like this is the simple example I am showing that, but this is a many things you have to when practice or creating any project we will learn that, but somehow we'll try to achieve today. Okay, so what is the requirement? When the page is load, click on the CG for all window opener is opening the child things. So how to achieve that? Let us understand with the example. When it page will load, this is the parent child example JavaScript I am considering and in button. So now understand with an example. Now here, so already this is child CG for all I have taken. Click on this button on click function I am doing now. So window dot open is one function. Okay. So now what I am defining, so defining one size of a width. Click on that, there should be window opener should be open. Kind of a one box I am creating. So what the height and width I am defining that should be created. And if I want to write anything on the our child, so this is child box what you have creating. So so what the variable I am creating based on the I am assigning that. So just now is size is and now I am printing document dot write already we know. So based on this variable dot document dot write. So we already know how to write on the browser side. Dot welcome to CG for all, that is complete guide for all. And next line I'm writing ABC of JavaScript program. So hope is clear. So if we want to increase this size, we can increase from here. So this is a kind of a requirement. Sometimes if you work on the real-time projects or real-time practice, this will be most used things. So that's why I added in our syllabus. So when click on this, so size is automatically increased, and position and all we can manage from the here. So same way, welcome to CG for all, complete guide for all, ABC of JavaScript program. So same way we are able to see that. Hope is that this example is clear, right? Yes.
Yeah, Munna.
Okay. Okay, so we are on the social media also. Please like, subscribe on the Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter. And if you have any doubt, any query, drop us a mail to help.cgforall@gmail.com. Let me stop the video. If anything you want to discuss, we will discuss now.